Hello, I'm Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm here at Open World and I'm joined by Tony Carlesimo from MetLife. Tony, hi.
Hi, how are you doing today, Nigel?
I'm doing great, Tony. So, Tony, you've just finished speaking in a session about your use of Oracle Hyperion Profitability and Cost Management. So, before we talk about what you're doing with that, let's talk about what it was like before.
So before HPCM, we actually managed our actuals allocations in the PeopleSoft ledger through a series of hundreds of steps.
Wow.
It was very time consuming, a lot of maintenance involved with that, and it was not very efficient. For our budget and forecast, we were actually allocating results through a Microsoft Access database. So that was, again, very inefficient and not really a strategic tool that's supported by corporate IT.
Absolutely, and like no transparency, a bit of problems with governance and all sorts of things around those lines.
Definitely, because of the process we followed, we would lose transparency, particularly for intercompany transactions where we'd take detailed accounts and aggregate them up to about 4 summarized accounts. So you lose a lot of detail as you're moving between legal entities.
Absolutely. So so the actual application itself is for shared services?
Yes. For phase 1, we actually implemented it for corporate shared services.
Okay. So really interesting corporate shared services, because that's always a nightmare in most organizations, because everybody argues about their allocation, is it fair, and so on. So, with HPC, I'm hoping you're seeing a better situation on that side.
Well, now what we're able to see is the transparency. We're able to see allocated results traced all the way back to the originating function, department, account. So it definitely clears up any confusion on where the expenses are coming from. So that helps a lot.
Absolutely. Right, so let's have some numbers. Just how big is this sort of application in terms of what you're doing at MetLife? Okay,
I would say for our actuals allocation, we're taking in about 20,000 lines pre-allocated, and it generates 19 million lines monthly. For forecast, we're bringing in 471,000 lines, which generates 93 million allocated lines monthly.
Wow. Big numbers.
It's a lot of information, a lot of detail.
Absolutely. Okay, so now you're dealing with all those big numbers. What else are you going to add to them?
So we start off with corporate shared services. We're going to add all our other line of business allocations next. So that would cover the Americas. And then we're going to roll out the application globally and start looking at the regional ledger instances and have us allocate the data through HPCM.
So numbers will be in millions of lines then, I guess.
Oh, absolutely. Yes.
well, Tony, thanks for sharing what you've done with us, and I really appreciate that. And good luck with the future.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.